Hey, y'all. Yo, what's going on, man? Back up in here, man, with another one of them things, man. My battery low. I ain't gonna stand here long right now, but yeah, man, it's my first day back at work of the new year, man. Today is the 4th, January 4th, man. And finna head back to work. Yeah, my camera finna die right now. So hold on. All right. So, yeah, man. We up in here, man. Finna go get these dollars, man. Man, most importantly, man, most importantly, about to see what we can get into today, man. Something productive. Definitely about to do something productive, man, with our lives. So, with that being said, man, if you haven't already, go ahead, man, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, all that good stuff, man. Hit that notification bell, man, so every time I drop, y'all be notified. Yeah. Kinda, I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about being back. It feel good, but it don't. Just simply because, man, I guess I'm just, you know, I think I'm outgrowing everything around here, but it's cool because, man, I came back, man, on a whole positive note, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I came back, everything was positive, man. Like, I got some real business handle, man, that just made me happy, man. Like, I really did something, man, that's gonna elevate me and my family, man. Y'all will see more about that later, at a later date. And, man, it's called a sidewalk for a reason. Like, why are y'all walking in the street? I don't understand people sometimes, man. Like, there's a whole sidewalk right there. Y'all wanna walk in the street? But yeah, man, so like I said, man, I'm headed to work. Y'all seen the video yesterday, man, of what we finna do in the shop. That's, you know what I'm saying, that's something to elevate, you know what I'm saying, you know, update the shop a little bit, you know what I'm saying. It might not be much, man, but you know, it's definitely an elevation, so doing that. To the job, man, just trying to set myself up, man, for this good old retirement. Set myself up for this good old retirement, man. So let me get in this truck. I don't know if I have to warm this joint up, man, because it ain't been started in I don't know how long. Maybe half, I don't know. About to go get in this truck, man, and get y'all these vlogs. Y'all seen it snowing around here. It wasn't snowing where we was at, but it sure been snowing around here. Yes, sir. What is this? MayRose. What is that? Somebody done bust up a foam pallet. I ain't gonna hit that shit. That might not be foam for real. But yeah. Let me get on up in this truck, man. Get y'all in a second. Yo. So I just got to work, and well, I didn't just get to work. I got to work this morning, and they was like, they ain't got nothing to do. Like, there's nothing here to do, so I guess we about to go and get us some footage, y'all. About to go and do something. I don't know what we're about to do. We're about to go do something. I don't know. Let's go see what we can get into. Alright, so the first thing that we about to step into down here at Madison Sands, y'all. Down here in Olive Branch. And this is the stuff that they do. I told y'all I was about to get my hats and all this stuff back together, man. Snapbacks and skull caps and all that good stuff. So I'm about to go in here, man, and compare pricing to the lighter that I'm already using. And yeah, I'm gonna see how it goes. If they let me record in here, I will. But yeah. If not, then I'll see y'all when I come out. Let's go and see what they got going on. Stuff they do in here. Best Western. Yeah, check them out.
So the beans, are you wanting a solid color? These are probably
this would be solid color.
24.
Yo. So she referred me to another place down the road here. So I emailed the usual lady that I use, but she hadn't responded yet. I'm about to go down here and see what this lady here talking about. See what this lady here talking about, man, and see it with, because I mean, if they can do it, she probably ain't gonna be able to do it today. But she might be though. I don't know. I'm about to go and see. Yeah, man, we're starting this 2022 off right, man. Positive note. We're going in the right direction, man. We gotta
at the light, use the left lane to turn onto
gotta get this merch together, man. For real. Yeah, I've been requesting the merch. Yeah, I've been requesting the merch, man. So I gotta get it together and get y'all what y'all need, man. Yeah, got to. About to do that, and yeah, hopefully we can get something done. I'm about to call his other place. I'm about to call though, cause I don't even know if they got the type of hats that I want. So I'm just about to go in here and see. But I'm about to call my lady that was doing the other ones. I'm about to call her and see if I can get in contact with her or something, and go from there. So yeah, let me call her real quick, and then I'll hit y'all when I pull up at this other spot. That's the place right there, man. Pets Monograms down here in South Haven, Mississippi. So what I'm about to do, like I said, I'm about to call my other company that I was using and see what see what they got going on, and then if they not doing nothing, I'm gonna go in here and see what's going on.